Hi, we see about the current affairs of October month 2021 5 and 6. Who received the Nobel Prize in Medicine this year 2020-21? David Julius and Adam Patapollin. David Julius done his discovery for temperature and touch using the chili peppers and spider venom, and Adam Patapollin done it in the sensors in our skin and internal organs that respond to cold and other stimuli, and he done it on the heat and chemical irritants. Who received the Nobel Prize in Physics this year 2021? Socorro Manabe, Collis Hasselmann and Giorgio Parisi. They received this Nobel Prize for physical modeling of Earth's climate, quantifying variability and reliably predicting global. They shared the award 1/4 and 1/4. Giorgio Parisi, interplay of disorder and fluctuations in physical system from atomic to planetary scales, 1/2. Which year secret of Panama Papers leaked? 2016. Who is appointed as the administrator for the Sri Infrastructure Finance Limited SIFL and Sri Equipment Finance Limited SEFL by Reserve Bank of India? Rajneesh Sharma. He was appointed by the Chief General Manager Bank of Baroda. SIFL and SEFL owing to governance concerns and defaults by the aforesaid companies in meeting their various payment obligations in exercise of the powers conferred under Section 45(1)(e)(1) of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Where drone-based vaccine delivery model launched by Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR. Manipur, and this was launched by Health Minister Mankush Mandavia, and this is the first system in South Asia to transport the COVID vaccine under Make in India system. And it is launched between Bishanpur District Hospital to Loktak Lake, Karang Island in Manipur. And it's going to implement in Manipur and Nagaland as well as the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Supreme Court to 43 Group on Rights to move freely under which article? Article 21. Government moves to change to Forest Act fall in which article? Section 2(7) of the Indian Forest Act 1927. Indian Forest Act, which was passed in the year 1865, it was amended twice in the year 1878 and 1927. After it was passed in 1865, Indian Forest Act has been in force since 1927. Valalar Ramalinga Adigalar birth anniversary celebrated on 5th October. State government would observe the birth anniversary of Arutpragasa Valalar Ramalinga Adigalar as the day of the Thaniperunkarunai every year. His birth date was October 5, 1823. Valalar and highlighted how the kitchen in his Satyanyana Sabha in Vadalur, Kadalur district continued to feed the hungry. Who won the ISSF World Junior Championship 2021 gold medal in the women's single 25 meter air pistol for India? Namya Kapoor. She won the gold medal at the age of 41 and she is the youngest Indian to win a gold medal at the ISSF World Junior Championship 2021. Who won the ISSF World Junior Championship 2021 gold medal in the men's single 50 meter rifle for India? Aishwarya Pratap Singh Tomar. Who inaugurated 75th New Urban India scheme in Lucknow? Narendra Modi. Who is the 100th Prime Minister of Japan? Fumio Kishida. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.